Now, this is a Defender, and it's all about the price point with it. So it's a 2021, it's a 3-litre, very important. I think a lot of our customers all want the 3-litre engine. So it's a 3-litre diesel, 200 brake horsepower. It's in Pangea Green, but it's got some key extras. It's not an SE or a HSE. That's why it's 55,990. It's only done 23,000 miles. It's got air suspension. It's got a sliding sunroof, black badging, gloss black 19-inch wheels, side steps. So I think if you want something which is a real good price, it's immaculate as well. It's only done 23,000 miles. Great price point with air suspension, with the right engine. This is a good car for you. Black badging, you can see on the Defender badging. The 19s, they're done in gloss black, which just set the car off. You've got the side steps, which are done in black. You've got privacy glass. And as we move around the rear, full-size spare. I'll show you in the boot first. So big boot space on a Defender 110, as you can see. And then you've got that button there for air suspension. And why I keep talking about the air suspension is because it's such an expensive option now. So a lot of the cars are arriving, cars which are brand new. They've not got no air suspension, even HSE models and SE models, because it's a £2,000 option, where when this car was produced, a lot of the cars had air suspension as standard. Inside, I'll just show you, lots and lots of space. You can see it's absolutely immaculate as well. And then you can see up above there, you've got the sunroof. That's the sliding sunroof. That's a £2,000 option. So the big thing, I think, with the car, engine miles, sunroof, and the air suspension. As we move in, seats in the front are heated. The car's absolutely immaculate, by the way. There's not like a mark or nick on any of the interior trim. It's just a lovely, lovely example. You've got cruise control. The big one, as I mentioned, so just pop that up, tilt, and opening sliding sunroof. Just move the seat back. And we took this, I actually sold the guy another Defender. He put this car in part exchange and bought a new one. Lovely chap, looked after his cars, loved the Defenders, that's why I wanted a newer one. Into the main menu, you've got your navigation, your Bluetooth. I mentioned you've got your heated seats, driver and passenger. Again, camera system, full 360 surround camera system, which is superb. And then you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your Bluetooth, your multimedia. Front and rear screens. You've then got the air suspension button there to raise and lower the car, plus the button in the boot. Just a great car, 23,000 miles, great price point. Still get a PCP if you're looking for something with affordable, sensible payments. It's going live on the website now. Any questions, give us a call, the number's on the bottom of the screen.